Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. Now, today's lesson is about two modal auxiliary verbs, may and might. Now, in today's lesson, I am going to show you the differences between these two and how to use these two verbs properly. So, let's get started. First of all, let's see when to use may. We use may when we want to seek permission, and remember, for formal permission. Let's look at these examples. May I come in? You ask your teacher, Ma'am, may I come in? You don't say, Can I come in? Because can is capability. It is not actually permission. So don't get confused. Next example is, may I borrow your copy? You need someone's copy, so you are asking for it and you are being polite. So you are saying, may I borrow your copy? Next is, may I ask you something? You want to ask something and you are taking permission for that. So you say, may I ask you something? So may is used when we seek permissions, and remember, for formal permissions. For formal permissions, we use may instead of can. Okay. Now, let's look another use of may. May denotes possibility. Look at these examples. It may rain today. Something you are not sure of. You are not sure whether it will rain today or not. Then you say, it may rain today. She may come today. You are not sure. She may come or may not come. So you are saying, she may come today. And remember, use the first form of the verb. That means the present form of the verb after may. I may not go to school today. There are chances of not going to school today. So, I'm not sure whether I will go to school or not. So, may denotes possibilities. Okay. Now, let's try to understand the use of might. Might also denotes possibilities. But then what is the difference between these two? Might denotes a small possibility, less possibility. Look at the sentence. It might rain today. You are trying to mean that the chances of raining is really less. Okay. If you use it may rain today, then you are trying to say that the chances of raining is a bit higher. Look at another sentence. She might be at the park. She might be at the park. Again, you are not sure. She might be at the park. Again, you are saying of possibilities of her being at the park. There are small chances of her being at the park. Okay. Now let us try to understand how might is used to denote past possibilities. Look at the examples. He might have gone to meet his friends last night. Again, we are saying of possibilities, we are not sure. He might have gone. We are talking about the past. So you are using might, then have, then the third form of the verb, that is the past participle form of the verb, and saying he might have gone to meet his friends last night. In the next example, I might have forgotten my pencil at the class. I'm not sure, but I might have forgotten it in the class. So, might denotes the past possibilities. Okay.